How to redeem one for all gift card. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can redeem one for all gift card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. I am going to show you how you can redeem it on the phone, but you can also use the computer or laptop. The process is the same. Open any browser, go to www.one4all.com. Scroll down. Tap on View All Retailers. You can search here for the retailer you are looking for, or you can scroll down and select any of this retailer where you want to redeem your gift card. Just to show you how to redeem gift card, I will go to this retailer, then tap on the website. Add the products you want to the cart. Let me add quickly. Now go to your cart. Here add the one for all gift card and apply. So this is how you can redeem your one for all gift card. Thanks for watching.